Welcome back to Third Phase of Moon. You've got the Cousins brothers. Just last night, the Hollywood Hills, we captured something at a friend's house. Take a look at this.
Look right there. You see it?
Mm-hmm.
Wow, they're gonna cross. They're crossing right now.
Here we go.
Wow, they're gonna collide. Oh my God.
Did we just miss a near collision with a helicopter and a UFO? We were at a friend's house in the Hollywood Hills last night. We stepped out, we heard some helicopter noises, we pulled out our camera, and all of a sudden we witnessed this helicopter almost collide, or if not, make contact with this UFO in the sky. Watch it one more time here. We were quite shocked because the proximity with this unknown object, we didn't see any indication. Obviously the helicopter to the left, you see the FAA lights all over it, the anti-collision. But what just happened there in this object, it's insane footage. We didn't know what we captured, but we wanted to post it up right away.
Yeah, it's pretty wicked, Blake. We saw the helicopter coming in from the hill, and then all of a sudden this orb, a bright orb, just appeared over the rooftop and seemingly almost makes contact right at that point. And then the orb just disappeared and we lost sight of it.
The big question is, was the helicopter engaging this unidentified flying object or vice versa? But look at how close I don't know, I think they almost made contact. We want to get in touch with the pilot, see if they experienced anything, because they had a front row seat to the unknown. We got a good close-up look at this right now, and again, no indication to the object to the right of any FAA lights. We're seeing something that is quite strange. We had some friends around. We showed them the video, and they were amazed. Guys, we want to get your thoughts. There's a lot of activity right here in Hollywood. All you have to do is keep your eyes in the skies. It's almost happening on a nightly basis. We're always having our cameras ready, and when we were at our friend's house, we saw something that we thought we better film this. So we did. And again, we didn't expect to see this near collision. Look how close it gets. Wow. All right. Incredible stuff.